Okay, everyone, this is the next cartoon, and actually, even in chronological order, also 2016, but this time through the researcher and an in-person remediator for EMFs. And this is one of the several drawings that they asked me to sketch up. And as far as I know, I don't agree. If I don't agree with anything, I don't draw it. So I must have drawn it so I agree with everything. I try to research as much as I can, especially having been, I would say, electronically manipulated and interfered with while I had a smart meter on my house. So this is, let's say, in an apartment building, you have like a bank of these meters. So this is the drawing that Mark wanted me to put up, and I'll just try to describe it. I'm sure if they have to edit out my hesitations, that's okay. I trust them. So here's a bank of smart meters, and you notice that the more research I did, the more devil's horns they have. They're very close to each other, which also violates all kinds of electrocution laws and public health and safety laws, building codes, vibration codes, fire codes, pool safety codes, and privacy rights, because now they all have, a lot of them have microphones hidden in them. So we have this guy, let's see, I forgot even what I drew. Can you believe it? All right, so they wanted this guy to sit back. He's on a wireless laptop with a wireless phone. And let's see, he has the Wi-Fi router up on his head. And he says skin rash, muscle cramps, depression, brain fog, vision loss, vertigo, headache, tinnitus, which is like a ringing in the ears or a buzzing in the ears. On the other side of his wall, I have those little lightning bolts, is a bank of smart meters. So each one is actually a patented bioweapon from 1974 with the scientists from Operation Paperclip. Now, this high frequency destroys the bee population, and when we destroy the pollinators, we destroy the world. Sorry, no more honey, RIP bees, go with flow-free rights to use. And then I don't even remember what I said. Okay, here. Bank of smart meters, not too smart. Then it says, warning. Hazardous voltages on circuit board, metal parts and battery terminals can shock, burn, or cause death. Okay, now that was the label on the side, but now they have a different label or a second one saying that it might get interference and from other electronic devices, and this unit must accept interference. So there's all kinds of new labels on it. The old ones had a metal case around it, and it had a label, if you vandalize this, it would be $10,000, but they're vandalizing our power lines because the vibrations and the 1,000,000 cycles per second going up to 1,000,000,000 cycles per second, and all our interior wiring is 60, maybe the most 240 hertz cycles per second. So you're getting really put into a man-made microwave oven. So that's what this cartoon is about, and I experienced this myself, and I feel so much better that I knew what happened to me and why I experienced all of those side effects. All right, over and out.